Hello and welcome. Let's work through question 20 together. We have a cubic curve, and part A asks us to complete this table of values. The yellow numbers are the ones we need to fill in. Let's show the substitution. When x is minus 2, we get 5, plus 10 times minus 2, minus 2 times minus 2 squared, minus 4 times minus 2 cubed. Minus 2 squared is 4, and minus 2 cubed is minus 8. That is 5 minus 20 minus 8 plus 32, which equals 9. And when x is 2, 5 plus 20 minus 8 minus 32, which is minus 15. The other missing values, at minus a half and a half, work out to 0 and 9 in the same way. Part B. Now we plot the graph. We draw the axes using 2 centimeters for 1 unit on the x-axis and 2 centimeters for 5 units on the y-axis. Then plot each point from the table. Joining the points with a smooth curve gives this cubic. Notice how it rises, turns over, and then falls steeply on the right. Part C, 1. To solve the equation curve equals 0, we simply read where the graph crosses the x-axis, because on the x-axis, y is 0. The curve cuts the x-axis at about minus 1.58, minus 0.5, and 1.58. Those are our 3 solutions. Part C, 2. Now we must solve a different cubic. 4x cubed plus 2x squared minus 12x minus 3 equals 0. Using the same graph. The trick is to make the new equation share the curve. From our curve, y equals 5 plus 10x minus 2x squared minus 4x cubed. Rearranging, 4x cubed plus 2x squared equals 5 plus 10x minus y. Substitute that into the new equation in place of 4x cubed plus 2x squared. This gives 5 plus 10x minus y minus 12x minus 3 equals 0. Simplifying the constants and the x terms, everything collapses to y equals 2 minus 2x. So we draw this straight line on the same axes, and wherever it meets the curve gives the solutions we want. Here is the line y equals 2 minus 2x, drawn right across the grid. The line crosses the curve at 3 points. Reading the x value straight down to the axis gives our answers. The solutions are approximately minus 1.85, minus 0.25, and 1.63. Well done. That's question 20 complete.